My name is Dinesh Victor. I am the Managing Director of SIP Academy India Private Limited. We are a company which works with young children for the last 21 years. We've been working and we have centers across the country, including many centers in Bangalore and also in Karnataka. Today, what we are going to do is something very interesting. So we run a program for children using both the abacus called the SIP Abacus program, and we also run a program for children using art called the Global Art program. But today we are doing something very different, nothing to do with children, nothing to do with our program. But what we are going to do today is we are going to create a forest. So it's surprising, how can you create a forest in a city? But yeah, it is possible thanks to this person who's standing next to me, Mr. Selva Kumar. So this is a concept which started originally in Japan by a person called Mr. Miyawaki, and there's a concept of creating a forest called the Miyawaki forest, where you can create a forest in a very small piece of land in a very quick time. So we all think forests take many years to create, and it takes 10 years, 15 years to make a forest. But thanks to Mr. Miyawaki and actual work done by Mr. Selva Kumar, who's standing next to me, we can actually create a very good forest maybe in just less than 2 years. So it's amazing, and we started ourselves as a company to do this project, a first project near Chennai in a place called Tiruvallur last year, and one more forest we created in a place in Maharashtra called Jalgaon. And in just little over 1 year, last June we had started it. And in just over 1 year, we have almost like a full-grown forest, 1.5 years. Trees are as high as 8 feet, 10 feet tall. Forest trees in just 1.5 years using a unique technique. So today, we are going to start the first forest we want to start in Bangalore. And this is going to be done today, and we have children who have come from our centers. They will also be helping in planting the forest here. And hopefully, in 1 year, 1.5 years, you will be amazed to see a thick forest, not like a proper thick forest where you can't even go inside because it is light also can't come in properly, and you will be able to see that in this area, and hopefully this will make many more forests. Now, why we are doing this? It's a very simple reason. We all know about global warming, and we thought as a company we can do a small work to reduce carbon emissions. No, actually, you can't reduce carbon emissions, but use the forest to take in a lot of carbon dioxide and create more oxygen. So that's a simple idea that we're trying to do, and we hopefully over time we'll have more forests in the years ahead.